Okay, hello guys. We're gonna today making a homemade firework. All you need is a box of matches, aluminum foil, gunpowder, and a match. You don't need a lighter, but you can light it with a match, but my matches don't work because they're wet. So I'm using a butane lighter. Okay, let's start. Cut a little square out of aluminum foil. Size doesn't matter, just so the match will fit. Okay, now we load it up. Okay guys, here's the finished product and we're gonna light it. I hope this works. If it not, I'm disappointed. Okay, we're gonna light it now. Okay, nothing happened. Okay, nothing is happening. Why not? Okay, it looks like the gunpowder burned out, so we don't have nothing to light anymore. But it was a cool experience, although, see you next time.